Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I made a delicious pasta salad. This is a bacon ranch pasta salad. It is packed full of flavor, a lot of goodies, a lot of ingredients that will make this pasta salad seem like you have been working all day, and it's simple, it's easy, and amazing. So if you guys would like to know how I made this delicious pasta salad, then let's get into this video. Please leave lots of comments down below on how you like to make your pasta salad, and if you like the bacon ranch flavor pasta salad. Okay, you guys, so I am using Suddenly Pasta Salad, the ranch and bacon flavor. The box is only $1. I boiled the noodles and I allowed them to cool. Rinse them with cool water, allow them to cool. In the box, it has sweet peas and carrots. To this, I'm going to add some seasonings, such as black pepper. Adding you about, if you're using 1 box to 2 boxes, I'm using 2 boxes, so I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons and a half of black pepper. Then I go in with me just a tablespoon of accent. Now for this, you're not going to need to add salt because the seasonings that we're using, it has salt, and the seasoning packet itself has salt in it. So here we have some cucumbers, some bell peppers, some onions, some cherry tomatoes, and I have some yellow and some orange bell peppers, and also I have some celery at the bottom that I have pre-chopped that will be going into this bacon ranch pasta salad, which is very delicious for summer. If you're going to a backyard barbecue, or you just want something that's nice and refreshing, then this is a go-to meal. Okay, we're also going to add in some chopped bacon, real bacon. You can go ahead and cook bacon as well. You guys see that? Real chopped bacon, and it is very delicious. Okay, now you add that according to your liking. For me, of course, with bacon lovers over here, I added the whole pack. Also, I boiled up 3 eggs. You can use 3 to 4 eggs, and go ahead and chop those and place it in here as well. I know some of you guys are wondering why the eggs. Trust me, this is delicious. It's very flavorful and it's on point. Also, here I have some diced ham that I'm getting out of a pack. I'm going to use that ham. If you don't want to use diced ham, you can use chicken. Get you some shredded chicken, place it in there, or some shredded turkey meat as well, and you can place it in there. The ham is wonderful, and it adds a lot of flavor, just as if though you were eating a chef salad. Okay, you guys. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese. I have some Velveeta shredded cheese out of a pack, and I'm going to use about 2 cups of cheese, or you can use 1.5 cups of cheese. Okay, now once you get all these ingredients into the bowl, you're going to go ahead and you're going to mix these ingredients together. Next, we're going to use some mayonnaise. Here I'm using Duke mayonnaise. Okay, according to the pack, I think it's about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. If you're using 2 packs, that will mean 1 cup of mayonnaise. I added a little bit more because we have those extra ingredients. So with that, you go ahead and add it to your liking. I'm adding both seasoning packs of ranch to this. Okay, also I added some celery salt. Here I have some ranch by Badia. It's all-purpose ranch seasoning. If you want to add just a little bit more ranch to it and have a little bit more flavor, you can get you a Hidden Valley ranch pack, or you can use ranch dressing just a little bit. Okay, it doesn't take much to go far. Now, after we have all of our ingredients in here, I do go ahead and add me some Creole seasoning as well. Okay, that Creole seasoning is an alternative, but I like the flavor. If you have Slap Your Mama, Louisiana, or Tony Chachéré's Creole seasoning, you can use either one. They all will taste wonderful in your pasta salad. Okay, so now stir that together, you guys. Make sure you have a big enough bowl to make sure that everything is mixed together perfectly. And here we have it, you guys, our summer pasta bacon ranch salad. It is a good dish to take to anyone's barbecue. It's simple, easy ingredients that you can find anywhere. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Share this video out with each and every one you know. Share. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave lots of comments down below. Tell me how you guys make your pasta salad. And don't forget to put this on your menu. You will enjoy it and you will love it. Peace. Have a great day.